Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I am from New York.
What's your name?
My name is Piatti.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brother and one sister.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
Where's your bathroom?
It's over there.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
How much does it cost?
It costs $30.
What's your favorite type of flowers?
I love red flowers the most.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy every night before bed.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
What time is it?
It is 4 p.m.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I love baking cookies and cakes.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:30 a.m.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like play badminton.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy a snowy winter weather the most.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I enjoy painting landscapes.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
How do I get to the airport?
You can take a taxi.
Can you play a musical instrument?
I can't play any instrument.
Where did you learn English?
I learn English at school.
Can you speak any other language?
I can speak France.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Can you help me with my homework?
No, I am busy now.
Can you drive Scooty?
Yes, I can drive Scooty.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books, but I enjoy movies too.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Artivist.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I like watching soccer.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Day.
What's your father name?
My father name is Ankit.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you love ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is deer.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying to new place.
Where do you want to go?
I want go to park.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your favorite place in the world?
My favorite place in the world is Tokyo, Japan.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How do you relax?
I relax by taking a long walk.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Are you married?
No, I am a single.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
What's your favorite type of comedy?
I enjoy English comedy the most.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I cannot ride a skateboard.
See you later.
Thank you, bye-bye.